Hello everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm coming on to show you what I made last week. It's not a lot, but I made this cute little strawberry album. I haven't shown you this yet. I will show you on Friday a tutorial on how to make this using the Cricut Maker, but I'll just do a quick little flip through of it. It's a simple little album, or a little notebook, a strawberry notebook. I have been wanting to make a strawberry notebook, and I finally did it. So pretty much all of the paper except for the solids and this one I actually made using the print and cut feature on Cricut Design Space, because I didn't have any strawberry paper at all. And I'm like, okay, you want to make a strawberry album, but you don't have any strawberry paper. So I did make my own. So let's see real quick. That is part of Cricut Design Space. And then you'll notice I did the back cover wrong. But anyway, I will fix the files, so when I do share the file with you, everything works out. But this is Cricut Design Space paper. It's one of the patterns. I'll flip through one more time. This is Design Space paper. This is too. That is my paper. Design Space paper. That's just some red cardstock I had, and then that's mine, of course. And this is from Design Space. That's mine. And Design Space. So I'm going to fix the file where there's a hole here already and you don't have to punch it out. So there will be a hole in all the pages, and I will add more pages to it. I was going to try to bind it with my cinch, but it goes too far into this area to bind it with the cinch. And I thought, well, maybe I'll try up here, but this will get in the way when you try to open it. So this was the only option I had to do that. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Comment below. Okay, so that's the first thing. I was so happy with this. I'm so glad I did the strawberry mini album. This measures 5.5 inches by 4 3/4. 5.5 tall, 5.5 tall by 4 3/4 wide. Okay. Uh-oh. Dropping stuff. Okay. Then I made another one of the book albums. I'll flip through it real quick. Okay. So this is the book club paper from Michaels. And just used most of that paper, and then I did add some solid from some other collections, but you've seen these before. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen these for sure. And I think I might have already gone through this in a previous video. Okay, so there you have it on that one. Okay, and then let's see real quick. I didn't make a lot this week at all. I did some card kits. I did make these with leftover paper. Each card kit makes 4 cards. So I did make those with leftover paper. Oop, I forgot to put a sticker on that one. So I'll have to put a sticker on that one. Okay. And then went a little crazy. So I had a bunch of leftover paper, just scraps, and I punched out all of these little divider tabs. These would be a great thing to sell on Etsy or in craft shows, and I'm going to show you a way to package them up. I will package those up for Friday's video. But I'll also cut out tons of little bunnies, and these would be awesome to, you know, package to sell on Etsy or in your shows or your booths or, you know, farmers market, whatever you have. So I just punched out a bunch. I mean, not punched, I cut them out with a Cricut. And I plan on bagging these up in groups of 10. And I'll show you that packaging for Friday's video. But I did a bunch. Look at these. These are so cute. That silhouette of the sitting bunny. I did a bunch of those as well. Bunch of them. And they're all on the same paper because I'll share that file with you. I can't talk this morning. Oh, here's a different version of the bunny. Cute. And then here is another version of the bunny. But I will package these up and show you how you could possibly sell these. Okay. Like I said, I didn't do a lot this week. I was very, very busy. We're getting ready to remodel our kitchen, and it's just been a mess. I've got to move everything. You know, anyway, we're very fortunate that we get to remodel that kitchen. I mean, it is from 1963. Close. I mean, it's been remodeled once. But anyway, it does need to be remodeled. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about the gift card that I'm giving out. It's an Amazon gift card. And someone posted in the comments that I needed to watch out for fraud. And it looks like some of the comments, people just came in and, you know, subscribed and commented. So anyway, to try to get to win it. And that's okay. I've learned a valuable lesson from that. So what I'm going to do today is for the people who truly do craft and, you know, you watch this channel for crafting ideas, etc. I am buying a Michael's gift card, a $25 gift card, and I am offering that for my subscribers. I will have to mail it, so it is USA address only. So we will see if that works out. But anyway, I am offering that. So what I need you to do is go ahead and comment below this video, and I will announce a winner on Sunday, February 16th, for the Michael's gift card. So please comment below on this video. What would you do with a Michael's gift card? And it must be US only. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to comment below this video. And I'd appreciate a like if you don't mind. But anyway, I just wanted to give that opportunity to you. I felt bad that, you know, Amazon gift card and what was happening with that. So, but anyway, this one is a $25 Michael's gift card. It's going to USA only, and it will be mailed to the winner, so you will have to provide a USA only address. And you need to comment below on this video what you would do with a Michael's gift card. What would you purchase? What would you do with it? Would you give it away as a gift? I mean, there's just so many options that you could do with it. But anyway, I would love to hear what you would do with a Michael's gift card if you won. And once again, I will do that drawing on Sunday, February 16th. Okay, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.